So undergraduate research, first off, it helps me understand my field. So I'll take classes which are always very informative and helpful, but when you do research, you actually get hands-on experience and close mentorship by the professors here. So you really get to apply the things you learn in class and actually see them happen in front of you.
DeLong joined my lab after doing a research project with another faculty member in biology. And she came to me and said, look, I'm already doing this project with this one faculty member, but I'm interested in some of the research you're doing. I know you're new here. I could help you set up your lab a little bit, and then we could start a project together. And that initiative and excitement that she had really helped me as a new faculty member in this department and in the university get excited about research here.
Beyond applying what you've learned in class, research has opened so many doors for me. So I've been able to intern at the NIH. I did a DA80 RISE internship in Germany, and this coming fall I'm going to be doing a Fulbright research grant in Germany as well. So it's really literally taken me places.